out here at family court today with litigants and protesters. So what brought you out here today?
I was brought out here today because I currently have a case in family court and my son was taken away from me unjustly and given to an abusive alcoholic father, and I had evidence and the judge did not see my evidence, and also that I have visitation. I wasn't able to see my son this past Wednesday because the father refused to show at the designated location, and I have numerous times to come by and try to see my son, and the things that he does, that he always sabotages the visits. So I'm here to stand up for myself as well as other families to bring light into this situation, because I had all my evidence. Like I said, I have no felonies, no criminal background, anything, and my child was taken away from me on the pure basis of the judge said because I was living with my daughter, 5 people in a 2-bedroom, because I left my abusive husband. So that was the only reason they gave me, is because, and she took his word for what he said without any evidence. He said that my child was depressed, he didn't want to be with me, and things like that. And also she just said, the judge said out of her mouth, he has legitimate concerns without even asking for evidence or anything. She just took it as hearsay, and she removed the child from my custody that day and only gave me 2 days of visitation, which was requested by the father. Also, something that was said, I have a history of domestic violence with him as well. The father also stated that he wanted me to get my own place and he had to inspect it. Now that, I don't know why, if you have a history of domestic violence, that a judge would agree to have someone who have abused you to be allowed to inspect your place. So that's why I'm here, to stand up and fight against this corruption, and it's not right, and I miss my son and I want his safety, of a father who will still continue, as I have evidence, still drinking and driving with my child.